excited to welcome you all to this special occasion. We are here to celebrate Marco and Jean, who are about to reveal one of the life's biggest surprises. Boy or girl, I hope you brought your guesses and your good vibes, because today is going to be full of fun, laughter, and maybe a few happy tears. But before we kick off to the games and excitement, let's turn our attention to this.
Thank you, Amala. Okay.
Thank you dahil naalala mo pag-saot sa bawal mo yan. Thank you kayo ang lalaki sa bayan.
Boys.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, blue! Hands up, hands up! Color blue! Color pink!
Okay, partner!
Tapos ikaw mula iliwat.
Ikaw na, ikaw na.
Another one. Another representative, please. Hands up. Color pink. That was not counted because slow ka mo. Another one. Color blue. Color pink. Hands up, please. Hands up. Color pink. I got it. Another representative.
Ikaw bagil.
Another representative, please. Hands up. Color blue. Hands up, hands up. Color pink. Hands up, hands up. Color, wait lang. Color blue. Color pink. Color pink. Bing, pagkatapos ka 5 nga ra, huksan to dyan sa babaw. Wala may mabili. Pagkatapos ka 5 points, huksan to dyan sa dalim eh. Kaya para sa dyan. Okay, another representative please. Hands up. Okay, color pink.
Ikaw na.
Another representative please. Color, hands up, hands up.
Sa balik lang, kanapal.
Color blue.
3 na naman. Ano na yan?
Another representative again, please.
Aksan niya ba? Aksan niya ba?
We will take out the first color.
Si Michael lang.
Okay, hands up, please, hands up. Color blue. That was not counted because you were slow. Color pink. Color blue. Hands up, hands up. Color pink. Hands up. A little faster, please.
What?
Color blue. Color pink. Color blue.
Sige.
Hard ground.
Go, Bas! We support you! Gusto ko laki, bata!
Let's go a little bit faster, deeper. Color pink. Color blue.
Dog! Uy, di niya magdugangan na.
Another representative, please. Nera, ang hard This will be faster. Hands up, hands up.
Blue yan,
Color green. Color blue. Yan lang. Color pink. Color pink. Color blue. Color pink. Color pink. Color blue.
Gulpya.
Hands up, please. Hands up. Color pink. A little bit faster, please. May penalty kung hinay. Blue. Pink. Blue. Pink. Pink.
No! Uy, Tana! Bakit ikaw talasin? Kakalig eh!
Let's give a round of applause to the participants. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please only appropriate questions asked.
Hello? Nak! Ako baka na. Paog ka, Mike. Ano ba nang yung katawan?
That's a very inappropriate question. Next question.
Wala. Na-process ba? Wait.
Please
Pinakabulan,
ask
pinakabulan.
some warming questions.
Pero yung kabulan, anak.
How many months is the baby now? 11.
11.
That's a premature baby.
11 galera. Overdose, baby.
Next question, please.
May question ako sa Bright.
What?
Nga, busog ka or busog?
Are you pregnant or
Just not hunger.
literal na busog? Another question, please.
Kamusta ba yung preparation nyo para sa gender reveal?
Kabado, syempre.
Pero gasto niyo sa gender reveal. Pero gasto niyo sa gender reveal.
5 million, 1,000. Rich parents, very rich. Much money. Another question. Last question na lang, last question.
What can you say to the guests that are here today to support you?
Okay, no baby.
Right, thank you, love. So after the Q&A, may you guys like to give a message to the soon-to-be parents, one of you, every one of you guys. Let's start from the side.
Ya, dindag. Ya, pala rin. Ano ang mambal mo?
A short message for the soon-to-be parents.
Congrats sa ano na.
Congrats! Wow, congrats!
Congrats sa galing darwa. Congrats sa galing darwa.
Maninong lang ko ah.
Ang mambal ko lang, congrats kaninyo darwa kag dapat sa inyong journey, sa inyong pagpabahal kag inyong bata. Dapat mapabahal nyo tanak insakto kag dapat ang i-apply nyo sa nang kabuhi ang mga mayad kag pagkat mga sayet.
Wow, heartwarming message! Congrats!
Congrats.
Congrats kag dad, maging mayat kang mga parents.
Ay, nuts.
Congrats kag stay strong and happy.
Sa Halloween ang music.
Congrats po.
Halloween ang music.
Team Trax or Team Tiara? Stay tuned because the countdown is about to begin.
Wow.
Bye.
5, 4, 3, 1. Baye. Baye.
Round of applause, please.
Baye.
For your
Oh my God!
Astig!
Lola, ikaw ba ito?
Gago. Si William.
Gaga, pati ang ano, tindamay ah. Paano pa daing?
Asir, bayo ko dara, vlog. Bayo ko dara. Bayo ko dara.
Gira, gira. 1, 2. Ako video. 1. Jaka. Talikod. 1, 2, 3. Go. Shakira.
Ilupok.
Tony Fowler. 5,
Tony Fowler.
6, 7, go. Talikod.
Wait, hey, Shakira, kadalakan ako.
1, 2, 3, go. Hey, Shakira. 3 dagan. Tony Fowler.
Giring.
Ako'y tahimik lang sa ubo. Tubanay. 1, 2, 3, go. Slide view.
Chest. Second chest.
So, ang ano na yun.
10.
Agay, itong batak. Agay! Singpil ko ba og ako?
Kusa sakit yung tugma ko. Inagatas man dra. Kabay mo, kapay mo sa baka mo nang kami dahan mo niya.
Agay. Yawa man to sa